Alright, this is a 2022 Bluebird All-American with the Cummins B6.7 turbo diesel inline 6-cylinder. This is an 84 passenger bus with child check. And there's the emergency exit. And there's the emergency. Yes, I am. Right here, we got some nice winter Pennsylvania scenery. If you hear lots of rattling for a 2022. Over is Target, Pennzoil, Walgreens, and we are on US 19 truck, which is Big Night Road for those of you who don't know Pittsburgh. We've got two buildings over here, both of which I believe have 330As. Schindler Houghton and ThyssenKrupp oil hydraulic Aurora in this building here, which I'm not going to disclose for safety. It's really a mixed-use residential commercial area, really. This is a big one. Now here's an interesting building. It has Gibson Thomas Engineering and glowworms. Lights are incandescent. Strobing LED stop arm. Got attic self-storage here. I think that building's got a Dover Impulse.